Hello friends, on the channel today I will show how to transfer videos from laptop to iPhone using a USB cable. To do this, I connect a USB cable to my laptop. There was an entrance somewhere here. That's it. After that, I connect the other end to the phone. That's it. And accordingly, he can ask you, yes, whether to transfer photos and videos. Click yes. Enter the code. On the laptop, we already have this thing. It either appears on its own or you can open it through my computer. Thus, approximately. Once we have seen that the device is connected, we need to go to the Microsoft Store. Let's start. Write Store here. Open the Microsoft Store. Right here, Apple devices. Let's open it. Install. Let's open it. Here, click Accept. Click Start. Click Trust. On the iPhone, click Trust. Enter the code again, after which the laptop is updated, yes, the phone respectively, that it is connected. That's it. Next, go to the files. Here, select any folder here. For example, I'll choose a folder from any desk. Here and here, accordingly, I throw what I need. Click Copies. That's it, and we did yes. After that, I return to the iPhone. Go to the files. Next, I go to any desk, and this is what I saved. That's all. Well, it was with you. Goodbye, everyone.